Hello, friends, and welcome back to A Christian Woman's Journey. I have been sick for a whole week. I am still battling some kind of terrible virus, but you know me, that is not going to stop me from cooking or making videos or getting ready for No Spend November. Today, I am cooking homemade granola. So I already have 1.5 cups of whole oats added to my bowl. We're making a small batch this time. I am going to add 1/2 cup of raw nuts chopped up. I'm using peanuts, but this is a recipe that's very, very versatile. Oftentimes I use pecans, but you can use any nut that you want. I'm adding 1/2 cup of raw seeds. These are sunflower seeds, but again, you can use pepitas, use whatever seed you'd like. 1/2 cup of dried fruit. This is wonderful with pineapple, but you can use any dried fruit you'd like. I've got some golden raisins. I've got 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Now, if you'd like I say, it's a very versatile recipe. Some people will add things like chocolate chips, carob. You can add whatever you'd like. Okay, so the last thing to add, I've got a mixture in this little container. It's 2 tablespoons of oil. It is 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Some people use almond extract. Again, it's versatile there. And I have 3 tablespoons of raw honey. Again, versatile. If you want to try agave or maple syrup, go for it. Just going to give this a mix first. I have found that this really helps the granola to form nice clusters. Let's get this well mixed. That looks mixed enough. So what we're going to do, we're going to get this on a baking sheet or into a roasting pan. We're going to spread it evenly. I've got the oven preset to 300 degrees. And I'm going to pop this in for 15 minutes. We want it to get a little bit brown. I would say to check it a little bit earlier. Okay, let's go ahead and get this into the oven. Okay, I left the granola an additional 5 minutes to let it brown. It looks absolutely beautiful. I'm going to let this cool, and then I am going to put it in a glass jar, and I'm going to store it in the fridge. This makes a great snack, and I am going to attempt tomorrow morning to use this as a breakfast cereal. Good morning, friends. I am eager to give this a try as a breakfast. Let's give it a go. Homemade granola. That is really something special. Homemade granola for breakfast. Healthy, economical, perfect. See you later, friends.